guys, welcome to the day 4 of the bridal week. So for today's look, I've started with the brows, and for that I've taken the Makeup Revolution eyebrow pomade in the shade Ebony. And now with the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Light Yellow, I'm going to carve out her brows. Here with the Real Techniques Mini Beauty Blender, I'm blending out the edges of the concealer. Now for color correcting, I'm taking the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Orange and Kryolan Paint Stick in the shade FS22. And I'm blending those out with my fingertips. For foundation, I mixed two of them. One is Elegant Pro Coverage HD Foundation and another one is Milan 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation. And with the Jan's Beauty Blender, I'm blending everything out. Again, taking that same concealer, I'm going to highlight her face. So I'm basically highlighting her under eyes, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. And now taking a darker shade of the Elegant Pro Concealer, I'm going to cream contour her face. Going back to that same Jan's Beauty Blender, I'm blending everything out. Now to set all that makeup, I'm taking the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. I'm applying it on the places where I applied the concealer. And for the rest of her face, I'm taking the Karra by Farna's Compact Powder. Here I'm dusting off the excess powder. Now let's start the eye makeup. So for the eye makeup, I took the Morphe Dare to Create palette and I'm taking a transition shade from there. And now to highlight her brow bone, I am taking the Jaclyn Hill palette. Here I am taking a mid-tone brown. This is more of like a warmer brown and I am applying it all over my crease. Now with a black gel eyeliner, I am applying it all over her eyelids. This is going to act as the base. And I'm also applying that on the lower lash line. Again, going back to that same brown color, I'm going to blend out the edges of the lower lash line. Now taking the black shadow from the Dare to Create palette, I'm going to set that eyeshadow base. And just for a pop of glitter on the inner corners, I'm taking the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Kitten Karma. Now for mascara, I'm taking a W7 mascara. Here I'm adding some false lashes. Now I'm going to contour the sides of her nose. And her cheekbones, jawline, and the sides of her forehead. For blush, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice Blush Palette. And for highlight, I'm taking the Jan's highlighter in the shade Rotno. I'm highlighting her nose, Cupid's bow, top of her cheekbones and her chin.
feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sound.
And to set all of that makeup, I'm using the Ofra setting spray. For lip gloss, I'm taking the Nitro lip gloss. As the eye makeup was really intense, that's why I went with a completely pure nude lip gloss. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This look would be perfect for any reception party, or if you are really bold, you can even wear this look on your wedding day. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!